I'm glad you've joined me for this lesson because, guys, we need to talk about something very serious. Recently, Maddie has been accused of stealing toilet paper. Now, normally this would be a laughable offense, but in light of the current situation, this cannot stand. Now, we're going to frame this up in type 1 and type 2 errors, when hypothesis testing goes wrong. The null hypothesis of the United States judicial system is that a person is innocent before they're proven guilty. So our null hypothesis here is that Maddie is innocent of the crime of stealing toilet paper. Now, it's the prosecution's job to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she is not innocent, that she is indeed a TP thief. Let's see what that looks like in terms of type 1 and type 2 errors. A type 1 error occurs when the null hypothesis is true, but we reject the null hypothesis. It's a true null hypothesis, but we reject it. So a type 1 error in this situation is that indeed Maddie is innocent. She hasn't been stealing toilet paper, but she's proven guilty and goes to jail for her crimes. A type 2 error is when we have a false null hypothesis, but we fail to reject it. In the context of this extreme situation, the null hypothesis is false, which means Maddie is a TP thief, but we proclaim her innocent and set her free to continue her nefarious ways. Now, in light of this situation, which error is worse, the type 1 or type 2 error? Let's investigate. A type 1 error says she's innocent, but we proclaim she's a thief and lock her up. Meanwhile, the true TP thief continues their rampage of terror, and innocent Maddie is behind bars. What happens in a type 2 error? She indeed is a TP thief, and we say she's innocent, releasing her to do her nefarious deeds. Which is worse? I feel like locking up an innocent while the true thief continues to prowl is way worse than mistakenly releasing Maddie. We'll catch her next time. All right, type 1 and type 2 errors. Thank you.